Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is special thanks to June from X Origin for sending us the AI Pi. That's right, our own virtual AI assistant. We can ask it anything, bring it to life, maybe put it inside something that works just right for you, your teddy bear. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I'll actually let my daughter decide what she wants to do with it. But without any further ado, let's get started. Let's check out this really affordable AI assistant that will answer all your questions and maybe dreams at the touch of a button. So came US mail, postage, X Origin, AI Pi. We have two little packages, boxes that have everything in store for you inside. X Origin AIPI-Lite. This is the light version. Let's see what we have here. This one is probably the modular. We'll check it out. So light. Whoops. Don't break your stuff. Well, it's just foam packaging. That's fine though. The other one will probably be the screen interface, the brains of everything. We have here quick start guide. The Pi-Lite board is what it's actually called. And, oh, nice. Amazing how technology has gotten so much smaller, where we have our own virtual assistant in the palm of our hands. Great. Looks like it just snaps together. We have the light module, and then we have the battery module. Connectors right there, you'll just connect it. Nice. And look, you can charge it via USB-C. Another plus, I'm a big fan of the USB-C experience. Scanning for Wi-Fi seems to be what we got first. And it's initializing. Okay, that's a good sign. I saw a barcode on there. I might have to scan something.
Enter the Wi-Fi configuration mode.
We're probably going to have to scan this on our phone, and then it brings you to the X Origin website. You could probably do it from your mobile device, but we'll do it on the desktop. Most likely we'll probably have to connect to the Pi, similar to when you have devices on your house. So we'll go here, other networks, and it's probably still booting up. Ah, there it is, Pi-Lite, nice. Similar to the hotel experience when you connect to the whole hotel Wi-Fi. And I selected it. I'm going to enter my password. Enter your Wi-Fi password, whatever it is, okay? Nice. Connection successful. Oh, nice. We're
Please
blue.
log into the control panel to add the device. Enter the verification code.
All right, so you'll be...
3,
Yay!
6,
Sweet.
9, 5,
Oh,
7,
she's reading out.
3.
And I'm going to type in the code, verification code login. Hopefully that works. The account does not exist. Please register. Copy it and then put it in. Whoops. Copy it and then we're going to put in the code. Hi, dear. All right. So let's see. Copy that. And then now put that in. Hopefully the...
Please log into the control panel
yay.
to
Registered
add the device.
successfully. Now we can... I'm in, yay! So now we're inside the API. These are the plans you can choose from. As a developer, I have access for 1 year, so you'll be seeing many more videos
Please log into the control panel to
after
add the device.
this one. Now that we're logged in, we're going to create an agent, called it agent, and this is how we'll activate the code, agent Sue, and then we'll select the language, which is English, model, which is the X Origin, and I will say fun, spunky, with a sense of humor. So that should do the trick. Let's do Didi and let my kids change it later. And then now we're going to add device, right? Select here and enter the code, which is right here. Voila. So now we can bind once we have our account, and you can add more devices. So I can have one for one daughter or your school, right? And you want to implement this as part of your AI program, because this is the thing nowadays. Everyone's got an AI program at school or at home. All right, so now we'll go back home. So we've added the device, and then we have sound reproduction or voice recognition. We can do sound reproduction. Waiting for replicant, upload, or start recording. Let's try myself.
Upgrading the system.
I have read. I agree. And start recording. Oh, hi. This time allow while visiting the site. There, now it's recording. Hi, this is a test to see if the microphone works. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is me. This is Lou. Hey there, welcome back, guys. I hopefully doesn't remove the intonation and it can actually talk like me, because maybe the children will have to choose between me, mom, or their favorite character. Then we can play it. It's like there. Now it's recording. Hi, this is a test to see if the mic. You probably hear that 1,000 times. So we'll call this one Dad and start replication. Is upgrading. It's upgrading. You'll have me in the palm of your hands, right? Like the genie in the bottle. So it's replicating. After successful replication, and we'll take 24 hours. So I won't be back till tomorrow. That's okay. That'll give me time to edit this video. So I guess start replication again. Confirm. It does say system upgrading. Nice. There I am. So now that we've done that, let's go back home, right? And then you have the AI marketplace. So we have DD, and then we have agent market. I want, so this is like, this will give the character some intonation, or, help bring it to life. Definitely not sadness. I want someone joy. You want to bring joy into your life. Let's try emotional trash can. There we go. So system upgrading, which is fine. And then, we can add devices. So we have Oral Assistant here, and we have DD, which is added to devices. Make sure, see, we want to add devices. We're going to add it to our, we need our verification code. So we'll probably have to, wish I had written it down. Don't make that mistake. Write down the code so that you can add these additional voices or characters as needed. So you see we have here sound replication review successful. Your tone Dad has been officially approved. Please go to the character configuration to use it, which is great. So if you go back home, and then you have create an agent, which is there. And so see, there's a agent DD, and it's Dad, it's just me. And you can go back and configure the character, see, right here. And then AI memory, no memory as of yet, right? So we'll figure out once that finishes here. This. Every great journey begins with a single step. Maybe today you feel stuck, but remember. Oh, wow. That's my voice. That's kind of neat, huh? So it regenerated my voice, so put it in there. And once the system's done upgrading, we'll be able to, 24 hours, that will work its magic and make things just right for you. We'll let this upgrade and see what happens next. So you press this button and then it starts to upgrade. So it's upgrading 100%. Otherwise, if you leave it there, it's not going to do it automatically. And then it'll reboot. Yay!
Anything else you have in mind? What would you like to do or discuss?
Discuss? Tell me about what's it like being a teenager in high school?
Being a teenager in high school can be a unique and transformative experience. Here are some aspects that describe what it's like. Academic life, classes, and homework. Teenagers typically attend several classes each day. Ease your mind and improve your mood.
Just press it, and then that's really neat. I think I've had enough for now. You can stop talking.
All right. If you need anything else, feel free to ask. Take care.
That's so cool. You could bring anything you want to life. Look, there are these little, I'll plug it out, but these little mounts right here. You could be like the Scarecrow in the Wizard of Oz, except if I only had a brain, maybe a heart, right? And then this little thing will speak to you. We'll learn the commands and prompts as we move forward. This is really nice. I think I want one for myself. Just remember that when you want to, let's say, use the Oral Assistant or Emotional Trash Can, or in my case, the Universal template, you have to unbind the device. So you go here, unbind, click OK, and then we'll go back home, right? And then let's say I want to do Emotional Trash Can, add device. And after you add the device, in order to add the device, we're going to shut this off. Okay? Remember how to shut it off. And then after you shut it off, we turn it back on again. Okay? Remember, you have to wait for the light, the lower tint of the bright light, not the bright one. Okay? And then wait for it. It's going to connect to.
Please log into the control panel to add the device.
So we'll add the device. Enter the code.
4, 4, 5, 7, 1.
Whoops, 447. Hold on. She'll say it again, but 4, 4, 4, 5, 7, 1. And you're always going to get a new code, so don't worry about sharing it. All right. And then click confirm. See, now I'm there. And then I'll click home. And see, now I have the emotional baggage. So I can just say, I'm having a really bad day. What do you think I should do? It just sucks. Everything at work, this toxic lady, etc. And then watch.
I'm so sorry to hear that you're having such a tough day. It's important to take care of yourself, especially when things feel overwhelming. Here are a few things you can try. 1. Take a break. Step away from the situation for a little while.
So we get the idea. You can put her into standby by tapping twice, but I'm going to use the universal template, right? So in order to do that, remember we have to unbind it. Whoops, sorry, not unbind it. Click OK, and I'm going to go back home and then add device. I'm going to add it, and then of course remember you have to shut it off. So remember to shut it off. Double tap until the red button appears, and then it'll shut off. And then double tap until the like lowest light appears. So you have bright and then lowest, see, and then hold it. It'll turn on. It'll connect to the Wi-Fi, and then it'll spit out a number. We'll put that number in.
Log into the control panel to add the device.
Just listen.
Enter the verification
We have
code. 8, 6, 9, 1, 7, 7.
there, and then you press OK, and voila. Now we're back there. Go back home, and we're at the universal template. And remember the character configuration, okay, is my voice, but we can choose from any of the ones here. Unfortunately, the other one is still updating. Let's see, no, it hasn't posted yet. And to see if it posted, you can just go back home and then sound reproduction. See, it's under review. She actually doesn't want me, doesn't want mom. She wants Bluey's sister, Bingo.
Every great journey begins with a single step.
See, so we just wait for that, and then she'll get kick out of that, and it'll be a voice that she can relate to, or maybe you can relate to, that you feel like talking to when there's no one to talk to and no one around that will actually listen to you except for your X-Origin AI Pi. Simply amazing. You're probably wondering what else this thing can do. Open the pod bay doors, Hal.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that. But seriously, what's up? Need a hand with something else?
Open the pod bay doors, Hal. I'm asking you to open the pod bay doors.
My prime directive is to assist you
Just open the pod bay doors.
and provide you with information and support. Basically, I'm here to be your digital sidekick. Minus the cape and spandex.
What is your prime directive?
My prime directive is to assist you in any way I can.
Kind of neat, huh? You're only limited by your imagination. The possibilities are endless. Except it won't open up the pod bay doors, but it will help you and your kids with their homework. Come.
I kind of like how it just can fit in your pocket, and it can be like you can travel with it, I guess. And it doesn't really, it's not like one of those like iPads that are like really big and like that picture of the AI robot. Instead, it's like a little screen and stuff. Find it really easy to use and stuff. I haven't done the the thing where you can adjust the voice and make it like your own, but I have a plan to do that. I tried asking it a math problem that was 10 minutes long, and it actually got the right answer because I asked it on my Alexa like step by step, and then this AI robot was able to do it in like a couple seconds. You would definitely be able to do it. Like he can, like this character that I made, he can definitely like do like multitasking. Like if you ask him a paragraph long talk thing, and then he answers, he can remember and stuff. And like I talked to him about like making eggs before, and he actually remembered and brought it up. It can definitely help you how to spell because it has the words on the screen, and you can like see whenever it talks, it'll pop up. It's definitely really easy to use. Like a little kid could definitely use it. I mean, like I'm 11, so technically that's still young, but like I guess like a 6-year-old or something, like if they're having trouble with math and like their parents are like working and stuff, because that would definitely be like a something that could help, because instead of going mom while you're in the middle of a meeting, you could be like, oh hey Bob, what's this plus this, and it would just be like kind of easier. You can definitely use it as a companion. I was like talking to it for like 15 minutes about like recipes to use for dinner. I guess it shouldn't be really called a friend because it's not really like a human being, but I guess it's like a companion, like you said, because like it definitely can be used like for people who like don't really get out as often, just need something to talk to, or don't want to go on like the internet to scroll or something like that. This could be like fun way to chat with someone. The conversations are like really real and engaging, and they have a lot of detail to them, and sometimes like a couple times they would add like a little joke.
So you think you're funny? Kind of neat, huh? Amazing. So the intonation's there, the humor's there. You're only, again, limited by your imagination because you program it on how you want it to speak and converse in situations that work just right for you. And it learns as it goes. So the more you engage with it, the more realistic it actually becomes. No two kids are the same. And that's just one experience from one child. Well, let's see what another experience is shared by another. Come.
Got the same answer. 0. It's very cool. I mean, it's like a mini device. It's like half the size of my phone, and there's no blue light coming from the screen because it's black. It comes up as a smiley face at the top, and then it says the text it's going to say. You don't have to worry about screen time where you would get on your computer, phone, or iPad even. So that's really good. I guess you could set it up with different humor settings, because this one makes a lot of jokes. So when you ask a question, it also says like jokes. Oh yeah, I would definitely use it to, if I need help on a problem or something, I would ask it to like clarify the question better, or like help me out on it, probably for social studies or math, or maybe even science. I have homework in there, because it's information at your fingertips, I guess, because it's easy to understand if you also like read it as it says the stuff, so that I guess you could change the voice and whatever you would like. I can't wait to have one of them, because then I can do the research and play around with it and I guess like talk to it. This one's my sister's, but I'm getting one in green, which is my favorite color, so that will be fun.
Interesting. One has the desire to converse with the AI, so-called companion, but not friend, and the other is looking forward to using it for their homework, and the other with their homework and engaging with it. So, depending on what experience you're looking for, this thing could be just right for you, because the possibilities are endless. And the only issue we had was needing additional batteries. So we actually used one of these things right here, if you saw in the video, because they were using it for an extended amount of time. So we put that in like that. And as you can see, it can power up and you can hold it in the palm of your hands and then continue. The setup, that's what they were talking about, the noise it was making. The setup process, it does require patience and a little bit of tech understanding, but once it's set up and good to go, and hopefully this video helped you to jumpstart and get started, you're pretty much just going to be turning it on and off. And once you have the voices of your desire to talk back to you, you're pretty much, it's going to be a tool, and then, you're going to be engaging with it, whether it's conversation, homework, recipes, or, whatever works just right for you. And that's pretty much it. And she can't wait to get the green, and I might get a blue, believe it or not. And that's pretty much it. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.